everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for an easy and practical way to stay hydrated, I highly recommend this 40-ounce tumbler with a handle by TUMBLABLE. I love so many things about this cup. First of all, they have a variety of beautiful colors, and you're going to see that it comes with this kit that has reusable stainless straw with 2 silicone rubbers. It also comes with the cleaning brush, and this is even dishwasher safe. I love the fact that this has a leak-proof lid because it's super easy for me to carry around. It's also cup holder friendly, so you can bring it with you wherever you go. This tumbler by TUMBLABLE, not only is it great for cold drinks, but it's also great for hot beverages like tea. I love everything about this tumbler. It would make the perfect gift for him or for her. So if you're looking for a practical way to stay hydrated, definitely check this tumbler out, and that is my point of view.